Those buffers don't look very safe to me. The last load poured down. Help! I'm choking! Cried Thomas. Get me out! He moved slowly onto the bridge, but the cow wouldn't shoo. She had lost her calf and felt lonely. Hooray, hooray, I see him! Cheered Bertie as he reached the top. Oh no! Edward's at the station. No? He stopped at a crossing. Hooray! With a wooden seat bolted to his bunker, he chuffers round the orchard, giving rides to children. Steady, Edward, called his driver. The inspector stood up.
Any old iron, any old iron, any old iron. You look.
Now you'll see, Thomas. I'll soon show you what traction engines can do. Trevor was as good as his word. He dragged the pilings clear with chains and towed them into position. Who? Come on, Percy, said his driver. Off we go. Stop! You're going the wrong way. But it's... Psych!
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
And Harold was high and alongside. Take care of Thomas's coaches, he advised. He's sure to miss them while he's away. Bertie was frantic. That's enough. Percy was... Diesel lost patience. He roared, gave a great heave. The trucks got forward. Oh! They screamed. We can't. The three engines barred his way. Whoosh! They raced through Edward Station, but the trucks were catching up as fast as we can. Then they'll catch us gradually. The driver was gaining control. Another clear mile. One day, James was later than ever at the junction. I'm sorry, Thomas, he puffed. I was held up at the station, and the viaduct made... Go steady! The van's breaking! The van was in pieces. No one had been hurt. It's when engines tell the Fat Controller something's wrong, said Percy. Did you say tell the Fat Controller? Asked Duck thoughtfully. There was a long silence. Horrors! Cried Thomas, and shut his eyes. The house rocked. Broken glass tinkled. Daisy lurched backwards. She was so cross that she blew a fuse.
Bye, have a beautiful time.
The brake van was in smithereens. This went on and on till the Diesel's eyes nearly popped out. Stop! You're making me giddy! The two engines gazed at him. When Boko suddenly arrived, Gordon thought him the most beautiful sight he had ever seen. Boko, my dear engine, save me! Wind and rain buffeted Edward. His sanding gear failed, and his fireman rode in front, dropping sand on the rails by hand. Suddenly, Edward's wheel... No, no, not by the smoke of my chimney, chim-chim. I'll chuff and I'll puff and I'll break your door in. Happy Christmas, Percy. Happy Christmas, everyone.